Welcome to iSMART, a beginner's level technical training program organized by the Department of Computer Science in association with IQAC. Today's topic: Google Drive, Google Docs, and Google Sheets. Google Docs Editors. Google Docs Editors is a web based productivity office suite offered by the Google within its Google Drive service. And Google is offering this office suite. And this office suite includes Google Docs, then Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drawing, Google Form, Google Suites, etc. And we have discussed about Google Forms in our previous class. And today we are going to discuss about Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slides. And these are similar to our Word. Google Docs is similar to our Microsoft Word. Google Sheet is similar to our Excel. Google Slides is similar to our PowerPoint. Not similar, it is exactly the same as that. Then the only difference is this Google Docs is an online word processor. Okay, our Word or PowerPoint or Excel is offline editor. We are editing within using our PC, and the data will be stored in our system, right? But here, these are online word processor, so they are accessible via an internet browser. What we need is a browser to open. We don't need to install. We don't want to install a Word or an Office suite, anything. What we need is just an internet connection and a browser. We can use the Word or the Excel or PowerPoint. All that can be used just by a internet browser, web browser. That's the major difference. So Google Docs is an online word processor and it is accessible via an internet browser as a web-based application. Okay, this is a web-based application, which means we need internet and browser to access this application. And it is also available as a mobile app on Android and iOS. So this is available as an app, Android app or an iOS app, and that can be used in our mobile. And Google Docs allows users to create and edit documents online while collaborating with other users in real time. So the another specialty. So the first specialty is that this is an online word processor, which means what we need is an internet connection and a browser to use all these types of Google Docs. And another thing is it allows the users to create and edit document online while collaborating with others users in real time, which means we can share a work. Multiple users simultaneously can edit a document. So suppose we want to do or fill a form, fill a sheet, Excel sheet. Okay, I will tell you one example. Suppose we want to collect the data for, especially for our first years, we want to collect the data of our first year students or our students. We need their name, their address, their parents' name, occupations, and so many details. Okay, so now our students are not coming to college, right? Everything is online. So this Google Sheets will help us to solve this problem. We can create a Google Sheet with all these fields like name, address, then parents' name, phone number, occupation, etc. Okay, we can create the sheet and we can share that sheet to our students so they can edit. So we will get the information at the same time. Okay, and this is real time. It allows collaborating with other users in real time. So we can see all the changes that is happening to the sheet who are okay. I will show you with this example how to open this and how to open this Google Sheet. Okay, so this just search for Google Sheet or Google Docs. We can find this Google Docs. I'm opening this Google Docs and this will be the home screen. And there are two options, personal and business. Go to Google Docs, select the personal option, okay? And in the personal option, actually, one more thing is there. Here we can see four options, right? Docs, sheets, slides, and forms. And forms we are already discussed. And these three. Docs. If you want to open docs, select this. For sheets, select this. For slides, select this. Okay. First, I will show you with the docs. So, opening the docs. So, this is same as our Microsoft Word. Okay. We can open a blank presentation. So, click here. This is a blank presentation. Okay. So, this window is same as our MS Word window. All that options that are available in that Word is also we can see here. Um, we can type anything. Okay, we can type anything and make it as bold, italics, underline, and there's so many. We can add images. Then there are different paragraphs is there, and we can see all the options that are available in Word. Insert option is there. Insert image, drawing, anything. Okay, and another thing is now this is we can see here private to only me. I mean this is private only. I can see this data, I can edit this data. And there is an option for sharing. Before sharing, we have to name it. Okay. So I'm going to name it and save it. Then next step is I can share this to anyone. So they can also see the document, they can also edit the document. Okay. Now this is about Word. Next is Google Sheet. Okay. Let me check this PowerPoint. Let's see what's the difference, how it looks. So slides. I'm selecting Google Slides. Again, go to Google Slides using the personal tab. And this is a, it's quite same as our PowerPoint presentations. We can create a blank presentation. Everything is normal as usual as our PowerPoint. The only thing is we can share this to anyone. Okay. All that options are also available here. We can select different layouts, different themes. We can select different themes. Everything is here. So next I'm taking Google Sheet. So select Google Sheet, go to Google Slides. Okay, go to Google Sheets and select a blank insert blank presentation. Okay. Now, let's consider our previous example of collecting the details of our students online. So, I'm going to type name and pressing the tab button to move to the next column and their mobile number, then parents, okay, no, father's name, then occupation, address. Enough. Next, okay, we can select this and even we can make columns and rows. We can make the cells. We can give cell borders. Okay. For that, I'm selecting this. Okay. Then giving the cell border. Selecting all borders. Okay. All borders. Then this is my document. Now, next, I'm giving this document to my students and they will fill the data. So I can easily arrange those data, right? For that, share. And now this document is private. Then click share. Before that, we have to name that. Oh, I'm naming it. Then save. This is the window for sharing. And we can now see that now this is restricted, only people added can open with this link. So we can add email IDs over here, so all that people only can use this or edit this document. Now I am going to change this status, change to anyone with the link. So I'm clicking on it, change to anyone with the link. Now this document can we can see here, anyone on the internet with this link can view, which means this document can be viewed. That's the important thing, viewed by anyone with this link, but they cannot edit. For them to edit, click here and select the option editor. Okay, so anyone on the internet with this link can edit this document. We can copy this link by clicking here, copy link, then done. That's it. Now we can share this link to our students or to anyone. Okay, now I'm selecting WhatsApp and pasting it. Okay, enter. So I send the link to one account. Then next, in their point of view, I mean in students' point of view, I'm going to click here. So this is their screen. They can edit. I'm going to edit the data. Name, then mobile number, father's name, occupation. We can see over here, everything is saved at the same time. Okay, this is real time. So address, I'm typing the address. So all that data is saved here, saved to drive. Next, this is student's point of view, right? Then, the same time, this is my sheet, right? This is the sheet which I have created and I have shared that screen to a contact and they have added the details. Now at the same time, we can get the data over here. And this is about the Google Sheet. So this will be a very powerful tool for us to collect documents from our students or from faculty, from everywhere. Okay, anything. And okay, so this is about Google Sheet, Google Docs, Google PowerPoint, right? Google Slides. Then one more thing is Google Drive. Okay, here is my drive. What we need is we need to log into our Google account and we can directly move to Google Drive. Not like this. I will search for Google Drive. Google Drive. Search for Google Drive. Then this is Google Drive. Sign in. And actually I have already signed into this Google Drive. So this is my home page. We can upload any documents, whether it can be a video, image, or PDF, our notes, anything can be uploaded to this, our important documents, everything can be uploaded to this Google Drive. So we can later retrieve it from anywhere, anytime. Okay. So I'm going to upload one document and I will show you how to upload. And this is new. Okay. Plus icon here. Click that icon and here we can select folder. We can create a folder or we can direct upload a file. I'm clicking this file upload and okay. These are my notes. So I'm going to upload one video arrays.mkv and double click on that video. So this item will get uploaded and after uploading we can change the settings. I mean we can share the site data or we can set the settings as only private or either we can share it with anyone and in our previous case we have seen like I mean we can set the settings as viewer or editor or commenter. There are three options available. Okay, completed. Then click on the data and here We can set the share button, and we can change the settings, share setting. Now it is restricted. Then I can change to anyone with the link, and I can copy this link and share to anyone. So this data can be available at any time. We can directly search here, and these all documents I have uploaded all my study materials to this drive. So we can search over here and take all the documents at any time. Okay. So today we have discussed about Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide, and Google Drive. Hope the concept is clear. So thank you.